Hi, I am Sathish Kumar, pursuing B.Sc Computer Science in KCS Kausanagar College. Today I am taking seminar in OOAD. Design axioms. An axiom is a fundamental truth that always is observed to be valid and for which there is no counterexample or assumption. The axioms cannot be proven or driven, but they cannot be invalidated by counterexamples or assumptions. There are two design axioms applied to object oriented design. Axiom 1 deals with the relationship between the system components, and Axiom 2 deals with the complexity of design. Design axiom. Axiom 1, the independent axiom, maintain the independence of components. Axiom 2, the information axiom, minimize the information content of the design. Design with less information content. The main goal here is to maximize object cohesiveness among objects and software components in order to improve coupling, because only a minimal amount of essential information need be passed between components. Corollary 1, coupling. Coupling is the measure of the strength of association established by a connection from one object or software component to another. Coupling is important when evaluating a design because it helps us focus on an important issue in design. For example, a change in one component of system should have a minimal impact on other components. Conversion. The interaction within a single object or software component is called a cohesion. Cohesion is reflected the single purposeness of an object. Highly cohesive components can lower coupling because only a minimum of essential information needed be passed between components. Corollary to single purpose. Each class must have a single, clearly defined purpose. When you have a document, you should be able be easily describe the purpose of a class in a few sentence. Corollary 3, large number of simple classes. A great benefits results from having a large number of simpler classes. You cannot possibly foresee all the future scenarios in which classes you created will be reused. The less specialized the classes are, the more likely future problems can be solved by recombination of existing classes. Corollary 4, storage mapping. There must be a strong association between the physical system analysis object and logical design object. Corollary 5, standardization. Promote standardization by designing interchangeable components and resulting existing classes or components in the project for future needs. Corollary 6, design with inheritance. Common behavior methods must be moved to superclasses. The superclass subclass structure must take logical sense. Class design. Object oriented design requires taking the object identified during object oriented analysis and design classes to represent them. As a class design, we have to know the specifics of the class we are designing, and also we should be aware of how that class interacts with other classes. Object storage and object interoperability. A database management system (DBMS) is a set of programs that enables the creation and maintenance, access, manipulate, project and manage of a collection of related data. The purpose of DBMS is to provide reliable, persistent data storage and mechanisms for efficient, convenient data access and retrieval. Resistance refer to the ability of some objects to outlive the programs that created them. Object lifetime can be short for local object called transient object, or long for objects stored identically in a database called persistent object. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.